Welcome to part 4 of our Taiwan trip, and today feels a little extra special because we're finally heading to Chiayi. So today we're currently in Chiayi. We came here for two things. First is to visit Alishan, and on the next day we're planning to visit the Meteor Garden filming location. From Taichung, we traveled down to Chiayi via TRA and paid around 220 Taiwan dollars. Welcome to Chiayi! So, it's 4 p.m. here in Chiayi. Kakarating lang namin and iba yung panahon dito. It's raining pero hindi naman malakas. Medyo maambon na. We stayed at Crown Hotel for 1,889 Taiwan dollars, or roughly around 3,500 pesos. Good for 2 nights with a pretty decent 2 single beds. And to give you a quick room tour, we have here an insulated bottle for hot water, complimentary green tea, bottled water, cups, common toiletries. We have a hair blower, bath towels, disposable hand towels, sleepers. We have a mini ref also. The restroom is a little bit old but clean and well maintained. We have tissues here, of course. This is our room. We have TV, a little vanity mirror here, and this is our bed. So good morning. Today is our day 1 here in Chiayi. We're going to Alishan Recreational Park. So we'll be riding a bus going there. The next day, we left the hotel 10 minutes before the bus schedule going to Alishan, since our hotel is just a walking distance away from the bus stop. So we will ride the bus number 7322, which is direct route to Alishan. Our bus stopped at a convenience store and we decided to buy our breakfast and some foods to eat while exploring Alishan. The ride took us around 2.5 hours including stops, and now we're finally here. By the way, we paid 300 Taiwan dollars for the park entrance. So now we're looking for the train station to get us to Zhaoping station. According to my research, today is Wednesday, so we're gonna ride a wooden train. If you're planning to visit Alishan and want to experience the wooden train, make sure to put your Alishan visit on Wednesday on your itinerary. Okay, so umakyat kami ng second floor. I think ito na yung bilihan ng ticket. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna buy a tickets here for the train going to Zhaoping station.
The shuttle train bound for Zhaoping is
Okay, so we got lost for a bit. But buti na lang mabait yung staff nila. So, tuturo niya sa amin kung saan kami dapat mag-start. And then, start na ng trail. Ayan. More stairs, more walking, more power, more energy. Okay, so may mga exhibit din dito. OMG, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh, it's so beautiful. We decided to stop here muna and just eat and rest. It's really quiet here and peaceful. Good thing we brought food because honestly, nakakapagod talaga siya. And we even saw some tourists wearing hiking gear, so it's a real trail. Happy?
Sa lahat
Gano'n
ng
ka-happy?
pinuntahan natin, talaga ito talaga promise. Dito ako happy.
Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! Parang nasa movie. Depende sa mood. Horror or pwede ring adventure, ganun.
So umuulan, pero we're still fine.
Now, we've reached the temple at the end of the trail. We spotted a food court in front of the temple, so it's nice to have some snacks after exploring. The temple is a good landmark to remember, so if you ever get lost, just look for this temple because this is where you catch the shuttle going back to the park entrance. Although it rained when we were about to finish the trail, we still had fun and were totally in awe about Alishan. It felt like a movie walking along the trail, and I realized that Alishan is a place that doesn't need perfect weather for you to appreciate its beauty. Because even on sunny days, or even when it's raining, it still has its own magic. If anything, leaving some spots unseen just gives me a better reason to come back.